Welcome to Days Behind, where we unveil the trivia and stories behind holidays and national days. The Chinese Spring Festival is a special time, deeply rooted in tradition and culture. It is the most important festival in Chinese culture, celebrated with great enthusiasm and joy. People celebrate it for several days, engaging in various activities that bring communities together. They welcome the new year and spring with open hearts, embracing the promise of renewal and growth. Families come together to celebrate, often traveling long distances to reunite with loved ones. They share delicious food and good wishes, partaking in traditional dishes that symbolize prosperity and happiness. The Spring Festival is a time for new beginnings where people set aside old grievances and look forward to a fresh start. It is a time to let go of the past, symbolized by the cleaning and decorating of homes to usher in good fortune. People look forward to a happy and prosperous year ahead, filled with opportunities and success. It's a time filled with joy, laughter, and hope as communities come together to celebrate life and the promise of the future. Traditional performances like the dragon dance add to the festive atmosphere, while the exchange of red envelopes brings luck and prosperity. The night sky is illuminated with lanterns and fireworks, creating a magical and unforgettable experience for everyone. Elders share stories and wisdom, passing down the rich heritage and values to the younger generations. Many visit temples to pray and make offerings, seeking blessings for the year ahead. The Spring Festival is truly a time of joy, renewal, and togetherness, where every smile and embrace signifies hope and unity.
The Spring Festival, also known as Chinese New Year, has a long and rich history. It dates back thousands of years, with its origins deeply rooted in ancient Chinese culture and traditions. There are many fascinating legends about its origin, each adding a unique layer to the festival's significance. One of the most famous legends tells the story of Nian, a fearsome monster that terrorized villages. According to the legend, Nian would emerge from the mountains every New Year's Eve to attack the villagers, causing widespread fear and destruction. The villagers discovered that Nian was terrified of loud noises and the color red. They used this knowledge to protect themselves. To scare Nian away, they lit firecrackers and adorned their homes with red decorations, creating a vibrant and noisy defense. This tradition has continued through the centuries. Today, people still use firecrackers and red decorations during the Spring Festival. They remember the legend of Nian and celebrate their victory over the monster, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil and the ushering in of a new year filled with hope and prosperity. The Spring Festival is also a time for family reunions where loved ones gather to share meals and exchange gifts, such as red envelopes filled with money, which are believed to bring good luck. The celebrations are marked by vibrant dragon and lion dances, which are performed to bring good fortune and drive away evil spirits. The streets come alive with various activities, including traditional games, performances, and the sharing of cultural stories, making the Spring Festival a joyous and meaningful occasion for all.
The Spring Festival, also known as Chinese New Year, is a time rich with traditions and customs that have been passed down through generations. It is the most important festival in China, marking the beginning of the Lunar New Year. One important custom is cleaning the house, which is done meticulously before the festival begins. People clean their homes to sweep away bad luck and misfortune, making way for good luck and prosperity in the coming year. After cleaning, they decorate their homes with red lanterns and intricate paper cuttings, which are often placed on doors and windows. Red is the color of good luck and happiness, symbolizing joy and warding off evil spirits. Families gather for a reunion dinner on New Year's Eve, which is one of the most significant events of the festival. They eat traditional foods like dumplings and spring rolls, which are believed to bring wealth and prosperity. Another cherished tradition is giving children red envelopes filled with money. This is called lucky money, and it is believed to bring good fortune and blessings to the children for the year ahead. The Spring Festival is a time of joy, family, and cultural heritage, celebrated with great enthusiasm and reverence. Did you know that the Spring Festival is celebrated for 15 days? Each day has its own special traditions and activities. One of the most exciting events is the Lantern Festival. People light beautiful lanterns of all shapes and sizes. Another fun fact is that the Spring Festival is associated with the Chinese zodiac. Each year is represented by an animal. For example, 2023 was the year of the rabbit. The zodiac animals bring different characteristics and fortunes. The Spring Festival is not only celebrated in China, it is celebrated by Chinese communities all over the world.
The festival promotes cultural exchange and understanding. People from different backgrounds come together.
They enjoy the festivities and learn about Chinese culture. The Spring Festival is a time for joy, unity, and shared experiences.
It reminds us that despite our differences, we are all connected. We can all appreciate the beauty of different cultures.